Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Timora. This is my little extra credit jammy jam type video for everyone here to enjoy. It's called Fortnite Battle Royale Victory Dances by the Timora Kids and Friends. Let's jump right into it. We got them going hard over here doing the groove jam. That's little Ava. That's my son Aiden. That's his buddy Jonah. And last but not least, we got Jalen getting their groove jam on. Get your groove jam. Come on. Moving on, we got the hype. This is all from just a little backstory about all this. This is all just from the video game Fortnite. I guess after you win, you get to do a little victory dance. And they've posted all these victory dances on YouTube, and my kids are infatuated with copying all these dances. So we'll jump right into the hype. There's my little unicorn doing what she does. She's not very good, but she gives it 100. So gotta love her for that. We're gonna move on to Rock Out. Now this one, I have to say, my daughter, she's a rock star. I'll let you yourself. Oh, right there, sold it with conviction. Gotta love it. I don't know what the other fellas are doing. Just yeah, there's no real effort there. Let's move on. Oh wait, here she goes. She's at it again. Oh, she's giving it a heart right there. All right, now we got Orange Justice. You want to see what fun looks like? Here we go. Oh man. Oh, take the L. Take the L is another victory dance. Don't know what's up with the sun. That's. I wish I could scrub that, but this is raw material. The worm. Here we go. The worm. I know I should be commentating, but how can you not laugh at this? Oh man. Oh, moving forward, we got this Zane. There we go. Snap it. Snap it. Oh, we're gonna go to the next video, the jubilation. If you all remember Seinfeld when they walk in and they see each other, this is what it kind of looks like. Kind of looks like they're jazzercising. And then the floss. I think my son has this one. It's a winner. There it goes. All right, and the credits. Roll the credits. We got my family: Aiden, Ava, friends Jonah and Jalen, Fortnite Battle Royale, victory dances, along with my little MLA format of where they copied all their dances from. I hope you guys enjoyed this little presentation, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Thanks.